Hello guys, my name is Kia Billingsley and I'm back again with another video. And as you can see, this is the exact same case that I showed you on my Galaxy Note 8 case video, because I like to keep my devices matching. So I have two black phones, two black and blue cases on the phones. And this is from CoverWer once again, but this time it is for my iPhone 7 Plus, as you can see. So I'm just going to get right into the video. I'm going to pull out my lovely 7 Plus here, and I'm going to put the phone in the case just like I did with my Note 8 video. It goes on the exact same way, but this time I have a tempered glass screen protector on my 7 Plus, because this doesn't have a curved screen, so you don't have problems with tempered glass screen protectors on here. But like in the other video, you have to make sure you're getting the rubber in the grooves so the phone will stay in the case and it won't fall out. So on the top you have nothing here. On the sides, you have those ridges for drop protection. The power button, but I'm going to say on this case, it's more clicky. The power button is more clicky on this case with the 7 Plus than it was on the Note 8. And this case was made by the same company. But you have your camera cut out in the back. And at the bottom, this is just the charging port, the charging / music port, because it's one. The speakers. On this side, the volume up and down button, and the notification button to let you, to turn the notification sound on or put it on vibrate. And you have good drop protection. You can lay this phone down on its face. You don't have to worry about the screen getting nasty and everything. You can turn it this way. You have it's the exact same design, because it's the exact same case, just made for a different phone, but the exact same company made it. So rate, comment, and subscribe to this video. Leave any comments and I'll answer them the best I can, and have a great day. Bye bye.